Really, I've been in 4-H ever since before I was born. My mom's always been a very hard volunteer in 4-H, and so I guess 9 months before I was born and while I was being born, 4-H has been my whole life. So ever since out of the womb, I've done everything from economics to agriculture to avian bowl to livestock to science, engineering, and technology. Just about every aspect of 4-H I try and get my fingers sticky with. Gosh, there's so many. I'd say one of my favorite would probably like Greg B for capital experience. And it's really one of the first times I really thought about being an officer and really wanting to become something more than just a 4-H member. I saw the officer standing there in their green jackets and I thought, wow, that's something I really want to strive for and something I really want to build toward one day. Well, 4-H is my life, obviously. 4-H has helped me to become everything that I am and everything that I hope to become one day. It's helped me to become the adamant speaker and advocate for 4-H that I am. It's helped me with not only my communication skills, my personal skills, my people skills, just about everything that I can do now and sit here and talk about is because of 4-H. There's nothing you can go wrong with for 4-H. 4-H can open so many doors and lead to so many different directions that it's impossible just to think, oh, it's only about cows or it's only about showing sheep. 4-H seriously sits there and it helps you through the hard times and it helps you learn and grow and become the person that you want to be someday, and it helps you to achieve the goals that you hope to achieve.
The Kentucky 4-H Foundation makes these memories possible by supporting these and many other programs enjoyed by today's 4-Hers throughout the Commonwealth. There has never been a better time to support Kentucky 4-H than now.